We're a Masonic museum. Why do we have an Oddfellows display?
Well, one of the reasons we want this here is because, number one, a lot of Freemasons were Oddfellows. So there's kind of like an affiliation just by virtue of having memberships in each order. But also that Oddfellows seems to be one of those fraternal organizations that has a tendency to be a little bit more confusing with Masonry. When you see an Oddfellows in their full regalia, some people might automatically think they're Freemasons. We have this display here to kind of show the differences between the two. We're about Masonic education, but we're about education more importantly. But there is no relationship between the Oddfellows and the Freemasons. They wear aprons. You can usually tell there's slightly different symbols on the aprons. And a lot of times the Oddfellows aprons will be different shapes.
Okay. Yeah, these look a little bit more rounded and they have axes on them. So if we were out in the wild and saw somebody with a hat like this, how would we know that it was an Oddfellows hat rather than a Knights Templar chapeau?
That's a good question. This symbol right here, the shepherd's crook and the sword, that's an Oddfellows symbol. And this crown over here, this is also an Oddfellow symbol. Now the Knights Templar of the Masonic appendant bodies might have a cross. That would tell you it's Knights Templar. That kind of gives you an idea that this is an Oddfellow chapeau.
Okay.